This order is based on 4 things. 1. How demanding this skill is to learn for someone with no or low background in acrobatics. 2. How safe this move is to learn. 3. How much the move takes power to do, in my opinion. And 4. How important this move is later in your tricking life. And of course, the order of these moves should not be taken as like the only possible way to progress. Obviously, different people learn different skills at different paces, and their backgrounds have a huge effect on what moves are easy and what are hard. In fact, this is just the order that I personally would go and learn these, since I've been tricking 8 years now, and this is kind of my experience. But really, even though versatility is a very good thing, it's okay to skip all these tricks that you don't want to learn, or somehow think that you don't like them, or stuff like this. Like, just skip them. It's your style, you can do whatever you want. It's really your style, and you are responsible for creating it yourself. You can choose to do whatever you want. But most important, enjoy your style.